Hi everyone, we're out here at the honey house and I'm standing on the honeycomb steps that I designed last year and we had installed over winter. So these have a synthetic covering on them, so they're going to last forever. But the purpose of these steps is to be able to experience the surrounding woodland around this house without getting your feet dirty. And also if you want to entertain a group of people that's staying in another lodging, this would be a great place to hang out. So in this area, we have quite a few plants, but the main shrubs are about 3 or 4 different types of native azaleas. Then surrounding the building, there will be at least 5 different varieties of blueberry, and we have 3 different varieties installed now that are setting fruit. These hillsides are covered with a number of plants that are going to be good for pollen and nectar sources for bees, and we will be adding quite a few more plants in here. Over here we have goat's beard, which is actually a shade plant, and it normally gets about 6 feet tall. But this area is going to evolve, and right now it's quite sunny due to the development of the building. But as the ground around this place settles in, and it already pretty much has, we're going to be adding even more plants to this area so that it has a little bit more shade. And if you're on these porches, you know, it'll have some overarching flowering trees and shrubs. But that'll happen this fall.